Dear students, today I'll deliver on topic on single line diagrams. It's different problems we'll analyze. So let us start. Okay, students, so today I'll take one problem. Just have a look on this. If they specify any problem, then how to draw its rough sketch and how to draw in AutoCAD. That will be further steps. So first you go through this problem. So once the problem they specify, so first what you have to check, what is the substation rating. So now this is 11 bar 110 kV substation, and check it how many incoming lines are there and how many outgoing lines. Okay, what type of bus bars, low tension, high tension side, 11 kV is low tension, 110 kV is high tension. This is step up transformer. If transformer rating is high, so obviously transformer rating is high, so both sides of the transformer what lightning arrestor has to be given. Understood? So always lightning arrestor has to be given input side, incoming line, transformer either side, outgoing line. If transformer rating is high rating and outgoing line is of high voltage. Okay. So now let us start. See alternators. What is incoming line? There are 4 alternators are there, that to 11 kV. Okay, that 11 kV is connected to 11 kV bus bar. Okay. So from 11 kV bus bar, the step up transformer you have to use 11 to 110 kV. Okay. And one thing, and just I'm telling the connection, but within this you have to use isolators, circuit breakers, these switchgear devices. Okay. Step up transformer. Once if you are using transformer of step up, you are getting 110 kV. They told bus of 110 kV is double bus bar. Okay. 110 kV is of double bus bar with bus coupler. Okay, 11 kV single bus bar, whereas 110 kV is double bus bar. They not told whether 11 kV single bus or double bus bar. If they won't specify anything, 11 kV also you can draw double bus bar, no problem. Okay, so in this problem 110 kV they have specified as double bus bar. Okay, so incoming line how many? Total 4. And outgoing lines from 110 kV how much? 5. Okay, and there is a stationary auxiliary transformer, are the 2 auxiliary transformer you have to use. That too, that is connected to 11 kV bus bar. Okay, incoming line 11 kV. So for that 2 auxiliary transformer you have to connect from that step down transformer 11 kV to 400 volt. Okay, so along with the CT, PT, isolators and all you have to give 5 incoming, 4 transformers, 5 outgoing. Getting? Okay, just have a look this diagram. So how many incoming? 4. I told 5, 4 it is. 4 incoming, 4 transformers, and how many outgoing are there? Total 5. Okay. So 4 incoming, 4 transformers, 5 outgoing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Is it? And they told 110 kV is double bus bar, 11 kV they are not specified is it double or single. So even though if you take double also no problem. If they specified is single bus bar, then take single bus bar. Getting? Okay. So 4 alternators. So draw a circle and within this draw a sine wave. For this sine wave, SP line command has to be used. SP line command. Okay, I'll tell you how to draw in AutoCAD further. How to draw a circle within this. How to draw a sine wave. Okay. So for incoming line, that is same procedure you have to follow. Incoming lightning arrestor you have to give. Isolator, circuit breaker, isolator, CT you have to give after circuit breaker. And one thing in AutoCAD, only one full section you have to draw from here to here. Remaining just copy paste you have to do. Okay, and then same thing, this thing, same copy paste below. Again transformer step up you show. Just here they have drawn in book. Okay, step up. So primary less winding, secondary more winding you show. Otherwise what you have to do, 2 circles you have to draw. It will also symbol of transformer. So better if you draw, this will look good. Okay. Okay, and either side of the transformer lightning arrestor they have given. Instead of this arc, like this arc, so use like this rectangular box. Okay, 4 transformers, and this is kind of double bus bar. Specifically they told for 110 kV bus bar use bus coupler. So bus coupler you provide. Okay, and from this 110 kV bus bar 5 outgoing lines are there. Getting? Okay, and PT is given to this bus 110 kV and here is given to 11 kV also. And specifically they told for 11 kV bus bar you have to use 2 auxiliary transformers. Okay, this is what auxiliary transformer is, 11 kV bar 400 volt step down. So step down, then we are getting 400 volt bus bar. Getting? Okay, and this is the simple diagram. So once you draw this full section, remaining copy paste you have to do. Okay, double bus bar also called as duplicate bus bar. The name double bus bar also called as duplicate bus bar. If they specify sectionalized bus bar, sectionalized nothing but this station is connected to another station, so there is a sections are there. Okay, just have a look this diagram in this next. See, they have used sectionalized bus bar. Previous problem is same. So the same substation is connected to another, so section they have given. For example, if this station is not working, if it is off, if something will happen, then this will continue. Only this is off. In the sense what? This isolator will break. It will get open. Only this section is off, whereas this will continue. Okay, same thing. If you see this problem, alternators are 10, transformers are 10. Okay. And then sectionalized bus bar with bus coupler in each section, 11 kV bus is sectionalized. Is it? So 11 kV bus we have done sectionalized, and outgoing transformers are, outgoing transmission lines are 10. Okay. Just have a look this 11 kV bus bar as well as 220 kV both are sectionalized. Okay. So sectionalized, and then from this outgoing we are getting each equal 5 here, 5 here. Same previous problem you have to continue, just copy paste. If you see this diagram, it may look big. You may feel, oh, how much we can draw like this. It may take more time. It's not like that. If you draw one section, remaining just copy paste you have to do. If this section you have drawn, just you have to draw bus bar, bus coupler here. So then same thing copy paste here. Okay, remaining same. It will save time. Getting this problem. Okay. So now I'll go for another problem. Okay, just have a look this problem. So this is typical substation of 66 bar 11 kV, typical substation. So 2 transformers, and out of this you check it how many incoming lines. So 2 incoming lines are there 66, and 1 outgoing line from 66 kV bus bar. Okay, wherever you are getting 66 kV bus bar, from that 1 outgoing line you have to take. Okay, and 2 transformers from 66 kV bus bar. So 2 transformers are connected stepped on 66 to 11 kV. That 11 kV is, we are from 11 kV, 5 outgoing lines are there. Both 66 and 11 kV both are of double bus bar, and both side we are using bus coupler. Okay, along with this coupling condenser, wave trap, earth switch also you have to provide. Okay, two incoming, 2 transformers, okay, and 5 outgoing lines. 2 incoming, 66 kV, 2 incoming, provide lightning arrestor, draw rectangular box, lightning arrestor, coupling condenser, wave trap, earth switch. Remaining process same, isolator, circuit breaker, isolator. Now, both bus bars are of double bus bar. This is 66 kV bus bar, this is 11 kV bus bar, step down. So here step down transformer you have to drop. And transformer is of high rating, both side lightning arrestor you have to provide. And what they told here, from 66 kV bus bar, 1 outgoing line you have to use. So here itself we are taking 1 outgoing line. This is line, another from 66 kV, 1 outgoing line. Okay, and then from 11 kV bus bar, how many outgoing lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting 4. And from outgoing line is of high voltage, so provide lightning arrestor. Okay, and there is auxiliary transformer they have given on 66 kV bus bar. Provide auxiliary transformer, that is 11 kV to 400 volt. Okay, step down. Okay. One extra what they told, 1 incoming from the 66 kV, 1 outgoing line you have to take, just double this isolator you have to provide, and outgoing line, isolator, circuit breaker, isolator, the line you have to take. From this 1 line we can use for further purpose. Okay, understood? I'll go for another problem. All different problems are there here. Okay. So just have a look this problem, next problem. So in this, till now we have not used like 3 winding transformers. Just have a look this. What is this meaning of 3 winding transformer? See, just have a look this 3 winding transformer. So what is this here? Here, this transformer is converting 33 kV to 6.4 to 415 volt. 0.415 kilovolt means 415 volt, kilovolt. Okay, 3 winding. This line is 33 kV and this line is 6.4 kilovolt and this line is 415 volt. Okay, so this one extra, remaining are same. So just have a look this diagram, and if you see this diagram, 3 step it is. Okay, here 220 kilovolt bus bar, here we are getting 33 kV bus bar, from 33 kV again step down to 11 kV, from 11 kV sectionalized bus bar. So 3 outgoing from each, 3 outgoing lines are there from each. Okay, just have a look this. Incoming line 1, 220 kV, 1 incoming line is there. Okay, outgoing feeders 11 kV from outgoing feeders, 11 kV, 6 numbers distributed equally. There is a sectionalized bus bar is there. They told 11 kV sectionalized is sectionalized bus bar. Okay. So outgoing feeders from 11 kV are equally distributed. Transformers 2. Okay, from 220 kV to 33 kV. So this is 220 kV bus bar. So 2 transformers, 220 to 33 kV. Okay, and then they told, and then again there are two 6.3 MVA 33 bar 11 kV. From this 33 kV bus bar, again two transformers 33 bar 11 kV. From this 11 kV, what they told, outgoing lines feeders from 11 kV, 6 numbers distributed equally. But what they told, one 11 kV bus bar is sectionalized. Okay, this 11 kV bus bar is sectionalized and 6 outgoing lines are individually distributed. Okay, and what they told, there is one extra is there, that is 33 bar 6.4 bar 415 volt. Okay, this is what 3 winding transformer. Just have a look, this 3 winding transformer, 33 bar 6.4, here 33 kV bus bar, from this step down to 6.4 kilovolt. Okay, and this is 415 volt. So 3 lines we are using. From this they can use 6.4 kilovolt, from this they can use 415 volt, above it is 33. This is another, till now we have not discussed, this is another, this is what, 3 winding transformers. Okay, so 3 step, one is 220, 220 to 33, 33 to 11 kV, from 11 kV, 6 outgoing lines which are equally distributed. Getting? Okay. Okay, this is another problem. 33 bar 11 kV substation having 1 incoming line, 4 outgoing lines, 2 transformers, 33 bar 11 kV. Okay, duplicate bus bar on LV side. Okay, so low voltage side is 11 kV. 11 kV is duplicate, means double bus bar. 1 incoming, 2 transformer. How many outgoing they told? How many outgoing? How many outgoing lines? 4 outgoing lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting? 4 outgoing lines, 1 incoming, 2 transformers, 4 outgoing. Simple, no problem. Bus coupler for 11 kV bus bar. Okay, 11 kV is low voltage side. Getting? So similarly like that, another problems are there. So read that problem and do it systematically. Okay, incoming lines are 2, outgoing lines. What is incoming line? 220 kV, 2 incoming lines. Along with the told coupling condenser, wave trap, earth switch, all you have to use. Okay, and then 220 kV is double bus bar. Okay, 220 kV is double bus bar, and 66 kV double bus bar, 66 kV also double bus bar. Okay, so what they told here, and 11 kV double bus bar, 220 kV double bus bar, 66 kV double bus bar. Okay, so now bus bars 220 kV double bus bar, and then next is transformer, 3 winding transformer, 220 66 11 kV. Okay, 220 66 11 kV. See this 220, from this 220 66 11 kV. From this 11 kV whatever we are getting, what they told here, 11 kV to 400 volt. Already 11 kV bus bar is here. So here they have connected to, this is 11 kV bus bar. So bus coupler they have used, bus coupler they have used from this directly, they not connected to bus bar, they use again isolator, circuit breaker isolator connected to 11 kV bus bar. Both sides they are using transformer or of what, 3 winding transformer. They told to use 3 winding transformer, 220 bar 66 bar 11 kV. Whatever from 220 we are getting, both transformer are of 3 winding. From this middle we are getting what, 66 kV. From 66 kV we are stepped down to 11 kV both sides. From this 11 kV bus bar, one auxiliary transformer is connected, 11 kV to 400 volt. This is typical problem, understand this. 3 winding transformers, middle we are getting 66. From this 66 kV bus bar, 11 kV bus bar is there. From this 11 kV bus bar, auxiliary transformer. Remaining what we are getting from 66 kilovolt bus bar, how many outgoing lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 outgoing lines. Getting? Okay. So that's why what you have to do here, my dear friends. So go through the problem, systematically analyze, draw rough sketch, how many incoming, how many outgoing, whether it is 3 winding, whether it is 2 winding transformer, check it, and systematically you have to draw. Okay? Getting? Oh, thank you.